Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn off notification of messages from the Facebook application, because sometimes we receive a lot of notification from the Facebook application. So in this video I will show you how you can turn off Facebook message notification. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. And if this video will be helpful for you, then please give like this video, because it helps me that YouTube algorithm will promote my video. So let's start video. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see setting and privacy options. Click on it, and you will see setting options. Click on it. Then scroll down the page, and you will see notification options. Click on it. So scroll down the page, and you will see messaging options. Click on it. So you can see allow notification on Facebook is on. So if you want to turn it off, so click on it, and you can see you will not receive them on the Facebook by push email or SMS. So when you will turn it off, you will not receive any notification of messaging from the Facebook application. So in this way you can turn off notification of Facebook message. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.